Massive breakout is coming for Gala Games, and in this video we are going to be discussing exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be looking at Gala Games once again, because I personally believe a massive break towards the upside is coming really soon. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because you guys already know that we are getting closer and closer to 2000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if we could get to that by the end of this month. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the charts which I'm talking about. My trade signal group has helped me make some good amount of money in the past couple of months. I will do all the analysis in this group and give you all of my trade setups so that you can make the most amount of money. As you can see, in the past couple of months we have made profits of about 142%, 350%, and even crazier than that. So make sure guys join my Patreon. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting in this group will be much higher than this. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and as you can see that as soon as we broke out of this downward sloping trend line, you can see that we were trying to push above. However, we faced this resistance level right over here at about 0.05. Now guys, from that moment onwards we have been seeing a consolidation phase playing out for Gala. As you can see, we have been in this similar range for quite some time right now. Now I know this is seemingly a little bit boring, but guys, a move towards the upside can just happen in a matter of few hours or in a matter of days. Now I personally believe we are getting closer and closer to a massive breakout, and let me show you exactly why I think that. So guys, you already know that I believe that the low for Gala Games was in at this price point right over here at about 0.015. Now from this moment onwards we pumped up impulsively in wave number 1, and we got returns of over 310%. However guys, we saw a massive correction playing out as well, and as you can see we bumped down by about 52%. Now from that moment onwards, I personally believe that right now we are in this massive Elliott wave structure, which comprises of 5 waves towards the upside. Now I believe the second wave has been completed, and now we are in this massive Elliott wave third towards the upside. Now my personal targets per Gala for the immediate short term is going to be somewhere around 0.085. Now when we reach the top of this third wave, I do expect a retest on these levels right over here. This was the previous one, or say the wave 1 resistance level, which will then test as a support level. And after we come down to it, I do expect movement towards the upside as well, completing this massive Elliott wave structure. Now I personally believe that if you get in right at these price points, you should be expecting a rate of return of about 150% in the coming months, because 0.1 is completely achievable for Gala in the immediate short term. Anyways guys, let me now show you some of the Fibonacci retracement levels which I personally think Gala should be breaking out of if it wants to basically show us those gains. So guys, right over here, if we zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see that at this moment we are on the 0.382 level, and we are having some difficulties heading past this level at about 0.043. However guys, if we see a break towards the upside, I don't really see any sort of resistance playing out at about 0.047, but instead I do see a wave towards the upside, and this would basically get us between 0.05 to about 0.055. This is going to be my next target for Gala. Now if we calculate the amount, how much up is it is going to be, you can see that we only need a move of about 30%, which I personally believe is really achievable for Gala, and it can basically do that in just a matter of days, if not hours. Anyways, now let me check out the RSI indicators and some of the indicators which are showing us something really interesting. So guys, on the RSI, you can see that even though the price has been moving towards the upside, we are seeing RSI forming lower highs. Now this is a bearish divergence, and we should be expecting a fall towards the downside. However guys, since we are currently in an uptrend, I personally believe that we are not going to be seeing a downward sloping or say a move towards the downside. Instead, we are going to be seeing some consolidation play out, and as soon as we have the smoke cleared out, we are going to be seeing some instant movement towards the upside. Now, if I show you the MACD indicator as well, you will be able to see that for the past couple of days now, we are in this selling pressure phase where basically we were not really getting any sort of buying pressure. However, guys, you will be amazed to see that at this moment, or say just recently, we are trying to flip towards the bullish side and the selling pressure is getting weaker and weaker. Now guys, don't get me wrong, even though we are seeing some selling pressure playing at this moment, I personally don't believe that this selling pressure is really strong at all. Now if you compare these candle sizes to this candle sizes, you will be able to see that the buying pressure was much larger than the selling pressure. Now even though it has been ranging for quite some time, but I do believe that we are going to be seeing a reversal very soon. By the way guys, if you want to make money with crypto while trading it, I would like you to check out my trade signal group. Now the link to it will be found in the description. It's $30 per month, and I personally believe that the value you will be getting from that group is absolutely amazing. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which I am using in order to make some pretty decent amount of money in the markets at this moment. So guys, even though we have been seeing this consolidation phase for quite some time, how about I tell you that I was able to secure profits of over 180% on just one of my trades. Well guys, I'm going to be showing you the insights of my trade signal group, but for those of you who are interested, make sure guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. It's only $30 per month, and I truly believe that the value you will be getting is absolutely amazing. And also guys, I personally don't really want you to think of this $30 as an expense, but instead you should be thinking of it as an investment in yourself, just like you invest in cryptocurrencies, you invest in coaches, you invest in mentors and whatnot. Anyways, with that being said, now let me show you the insides of my trade signal group. So guys, right over here, as you can see, we recently secured profits of over 182% on just one of the trades. Now this is an example of one of the trade signal which I post in my group. As you can see, I post the amount, or say the type of position which I'm taking. So it could be a long position or a short position. After that, I mentioned the risk factor, the token which we are basically trading, the amount of leverage which we are using, entry prices, and the target prices, or say the take profit prices. This is practically it, and this is how a lot of my members are also able to earn money. And I personally don't really see any reason why you guys shouldn't be joining if you are really serious about making money. Apart from my trade channel, I also post technical analysis, business opportunities, coins which are on my radar, my personal portfolio, and also guys, there's a chat category where basically you can chat with like-minded individuals who want to make more money just like you want to do, and who are basically educated enough and motivated enough to get out in the market and make their money as fast as possible. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.